Oppo has officially unveiled the Reno 12 series in China. Oppo has always been known for its sleek designs and powerful performance, and the Reno 12 Pro is no exception. The company has started teasing the phones and their alleged AI prowess. So, let's see what this beauty has to offer. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro features a stunning design with a glass front and back, and the phone's frame is made out of die-cast aluminum alloy, which withstands compression much better, helping to reduce damage if you drop your phone on a hard surface. The phone feels premium in hand with its curved edges and sleek finish. It measures 7.25mm thick and weighs 179 grams, while the Reno 12 Pro is a bit thicker and heavier at 7.55mm and 183 grams with IP65 water resistance. It comes in three colors: silver magic purple, ebony black, and champagne gold, which looks gorgeous. We have a 6.7-inch HDR10 Plus AMOLED display with a resolution of 2412 x 1080 pixels. Up to 1200 nits, the screen is vibrant, with deep blacks and punchy colors, perfect for media consumption. Plus, it has a 120 Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling and gaming. And did I mention a 50-megapixel punch-hole camera cutout with an under-display fingerprint scanner? On the right side, we have the power button, while the volume rockers are on the left. At the bottom, there's the USB Type-C port, speaker grill, and the SIM card tray. Unfortunately, there's no headphone jack, but the included USB-C earbuds make up for it. Coming up with the camera segment on the backside, they have a triple camera setup. The Pro model has a 50-megapixel main camera with an IMX8 9DO image sensor, f1.8 aperture wide, in addition to a 50-megapixel 2x telephoto, f2.0 aperture module, and an 8-megapixel f2.2 aperture ultra-wide, and video supports up to 4K or 30 FPS. Under the hood, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset, Start Edition paired with the LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 ROM with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. This ensures smooth performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just browsing the web. The Reno 12 Pro packs a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of moderate use. And with the 80-watt SuperVOOC charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 35 minutes. That's incredibly fast. In terms of software, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro runs ColorOS based on Android 14. It's a clean and intuitive interface with plenty of customization options and useful features. There are some cool features like the customizable always-on display, advanced privacy options, and a ton of gestures and shortcuts to enhance your user experience. The Reno 12 and 12 Pro have slight differences. Here you can see the prices of both variants, and this device will be available in China. It will launch at the end of the month. You can find the Oppo Reno 12 over on Oppo's online store. So there you have it, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro. A beautifully designed phone with a stunning display, powerful performance, and versatile cameras. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, the Reno 12 Pro is worth considering. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to stay notified of our latest uploads. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts on the Oppo Reno 12 Pro. If you have any questions or specific features you'd like to see in action, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video, Tech Aficionados.